Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to create a news listing page in our system, which will display all of the news in the system on the page. Okay, so you can see here on the screen we have the home page, which have a section called it latest news. There are 5 record latest of the news will be displayed here, and on the top we have another section called edit new product, which displays the latest 5 items of the product in our system. We have another page called it is the product management here. There are the admin page, which allows the user to work on the create, update, delete the data for product. And we have another page is product list here, which will display all of the product in the system on the side. So for example, when you are using this site, uh, I mean when you publish the site to the global, so when the user come here, everyone should see all of the product listing here, and only the admin can access into the product management page. And the same thing, we have the news page here, which allows the user to do the create, update, and delete the data for news. And today in this video, we should create another page called it new listing or something like that to display all of the news in our system, which allows the visitor when access into the source site can see all of the listing news in the system. Okay, so now let's do it. I will open the SQL Visual Studio first. Here, I will open the site.master page. Okay, I back to the web, and here we have done in the previous video for the homepage user. Here we should change it to the manage user, manage category, manage product, manage new, and manage contact. There are the page of the admin. Okay, so now I will edit it. Okay, so after that I will change the order of the page here. I will make the manage page on the left side and other page on the right side of the menu. Okay, so now here I will create a new page and call it a new list, news list. Copy the name. And now I will add new line here. Manage. Okay. Copy. Product. News. Okay. Let's try to build solution. back to the web browser and refresh this one. Okay, so you can see here there are some the update on the menu. The manage page has been on the left side and the other page is the right side. Click on new here. It will direct you to the new listing page. And at this time we have nothing on this page, so that it is displaying the blank page here. Okay, I will back to the Visual Studio. I will open the new listing. Okay, so now I will open the default page. There are the home page of this system default. Okay, for the latest new, it is writing in the user console code it is latest file news. So now I will open that user console latest file news. Okay, here. So now I will go ahead to copy something from this page. Okay, I will open the product list and I will do the same thing for this product list. I will copy this one, paste it to the new list, remove this one. Okay, I will remove the user console. Close this. And I will create another user console code id news list. The same thing as we did for the product list here. Okay. News list product list. Okay, so I will name it news list user control UC add. I will copy the code here. I will open the product list. Only repeater. Just need to copy the code of the repeater because we have some code inside the new list.aspx file here. Okay, home product list should be the same thing. Home product list. We are using the same class of the product. Okay, good. Open the backend code. You copy something here. I will try to copy it first. Sorry. It should be the code in the user console. User listing, view console. business logic. New listing. No need that news. New listing. We change the name of the repeater to the news. Okay, cool. Back to this one. Okay, open the new logic. In the new logic, we have a feature to get news lead in the system. Open this one. Yeah. So here, if you get all of the news in the system, and after that return the news for the client. Okay. So now let's do it. New listing, user control. Should keep the same thing here. Okay. I will change the method name here. Should be read name. I will call it get new listing. Enter. Okay. So now here product. So it should be the new list. Okay, so we will order by the ID of news by descending. That means we are getting we will display the latest new on the top and the older new at the end at the end. Okay, so now here we remove the text file record because for now we want to getting all of the new in the system to display it on the website. Okay, save it. New listing. Close this. View it. And back to the browser. Refresh this one. Open this one first. New listing. New listing. Okay. We should have some the title for this one. I will call it either new listing. Building. I will open the news. Refresh this one. Okay. It does not work because we have just finished the coding for the user console. And when you take a look into the news list.aspx file here, we have nothing. The user console still not linked into the aspx file here. So we have to drop the new list user console into this page. Okay. So after that, a line of code will be added into the top of the page. There are the registration for this user control. First, in order to use it on this page, we have to review the solution. Such as back to this one and try to refresh again. Okay, so now you can see here we have the 6 record of the news will be displaying on the new listing page here. And I will open the news manage new. There are 6. Okay, so now I go ahead to add one more. I testing number 7. Short description 7 to the image file. That. So save it. Number 7. Oh, this one should be number 6. Number 6. Number 6. Okay. Refresh this page. Here. So for now we have 7 items of news will be displaying on the new listing page here. Okay. So back to this one, and I will open the user control of the product list. Product owner, okay, work file, and let it find news. Okay, so you can see here we have some the variable is not correct, it's not meaningful. So when we copy the code from the product list here, I didn't change it to the new name. We can keep it like this, but I think we should change it to the right. I mean to the meaningful name. So for example, when you are working in a team, when you do coding this feature, but however a long time in the long time later, so another guy will do the maintenance code. So when they take a look into this code, and it will make the confuse for them. So we should change it to the meaningful name. News. Okay, cool. View again. Open the home page. It should be display the latest 5 item of the product of news on the home page. Okay, cool. News. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to create the new listing in our system to display all of the news on the page. I hope this video will helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and talk to you later in another video.